So MS2, okay, how to create a material type. So you can consider any existing material type and you can copy from the existing material type to new material type. Okay, so OMS2 is a new transaction code. You can go directly to material type creation, or you can go to SPRO also. What we discussed, we can go directly SPRO also. We can do it. Okay, now here I can go to ROH. Okay, or I can go to FERT. So every time we are talking about raw material, right? Let's talk about FERT, finished goods. Okay, select the line. Okay, and copy button. Here copy button is there. I just copying this one existing to new. So now I'm creating that ZFRT, something new finished goods which is creating for my products. Okay, testing purpose. Now you can select that what is the field reference and whether it is in-house or external, or it is what views should be allowed. Okay, and standard price or moving average price. Okay, and you can select the account category reference for the valuation class. Okay, and that's all. So and you can enter. Okay, enter. Enter. So all it's copied and saved. Now ZFRT material type it is created. Okay. So now ZFRT material created. So I can see that my quantity value update for my plants, whether it is updated or not. So we need to validate. Okay, this is the way we will create a material type. Okay, so if my material types are T8, T1, T8, T2 like this, we created, right? So for this, all checkboxes are updated or not, quantity updated and value updated. If it is not updated, then when we created a goods receipt, when we are doing receipt of the stock, okay, system will not update the values and will not update the stock inventory. Okay, so make sure you should update these two. You need to be check these two. Okay, now coming to the number ranges for this material type. Okay, now MMNR is the transaction code. You can go directly to material master number ranges. Okay, or you can go to SPRO also. Now let's create my own group. Okay, so there are so many groups are there here. Okay, you can see here in the down there are so many groups are there. What I need to do, I need to create a new group. Okay, so click on create group. In the top you can see that just go to click on create the group. Okay, or you can maintain the group also. Okay, select the maintain the group. If you want to existing group, you can do it, or you can create a new group. Okay, so here you should know about that what number ranges which is free intervals, right? What intervals it is free intervals. Okay, so before that, what you need to do, you need to check that what are the intervals which is free. So we need to check that what are the number range intervals free here. Okay, so you need to cross check that. So I just go to change intervals. Okay, and check that any intervals which is free. Let's take here 1 1 1 1. I'll just filling that already 910 it is already completed. So I didn't disturb till 999. Okay, I'm saving this one. Now I have the number range intervals free from 1000 from 1000. Okay, it is starting with 1000. This is the I have the intervals now. Okay, so what I'm planning, I just planning to intervals to define these number ranges. So this is my planning. Okay, why? Because I just reduced the existing intervals. So I'm not disturbing that which is already overlapped. You can see here the number and status. If it is already created, you cannot change that those. Okay, so you can change in the two level. You can reduce the number series, but you cannot delete the line. Cannot delete the line. Okay, clear? Are you clear? See here, if I thought that it is already used. So many people they are already used the number series. Okay, so might be it is very difficult to find what number range. So what I did, I just changed the existing one. Okay, if it is 11 is there, so previously it is 11 is there, 9, 10 it is there. That means from 901 to 910 means 10 materials it is created. Okay, so what I just given, I given 100. You can use this material type till 100 materials you can create. Right. So I just changed only the ending number. Before that, how it will be like? It is like before that, how it is like? This is like this one, right? So there are lakhs of material. It is assigned. Lakhs of number series. It is assigned. So I don't want that much. I can give only 100 numbers. So I don't think more than 100 numbers they will create for testing purpose. Correct. So now I can use the remaining number series for myself. So I just creating number series for myself, which I assign 1000 number series from 1000 to 1999. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Now I will go to definition of groups. Okay, I will create a number series. Oh, sorry, group. I will create group. So let's say group. GetMat group, and I can give my number series here, which is a free interval numbers. These are the free intervals. And okay, if you want external number range, you can define here external number range, or if you define internal number range, you can remove this one. Okay, so let's. It is non-assigned. Somewhere. Where is my group? My group also gone. Get my group here. It is there. Okay. Assign this one. You can go to overview. Just click on overview for material type. So this is the testing server, right? So everyone they are doing practice under this server. So people might be they will change every time. So let's check now where it is there. So I assign now this to my group. Okay. Now JetMat group it is assigned. Before that it is there in the here down. Now it is assigned to JetMat group. Okay. And the JetMat group is the internal number range. It is not external number range, and this is the series. Now let's try again by creating the material type number. Okay. Now I'm just entering that. Now it is allowing, right? So now it's trying to create a number. If you see that it is started with this series. This is my series only, right? My number series. You can find this one here. This is my number series only, right? Correct or wrong?
Yes,
Clear?
correct. Yes, clear.
So for vendor master record, if you define the external number range, then the system will allow only external number range and within the intervals. And if you define the internal number range, then it will be allow only internal number range within the number series. But for the metal master record, okay, so what will be happened? We have series like I will show you the series which is defined for the external number range. Okay, so sometimes it will be allow for the external number range with numeric and alphabetic. How it will be? Like here it is defined like A to Z Z Z. A to Z Z. Means it is like alphabetic or it is numeric. So from A to Z Z you can enter unlimited. Means A, B, C, D, A 1, 2, 3, A 5 Z, 6 Z, B series, C series, 7 series, D series like that you can enter. So that's why it is allowing to the external number range with any alpha numeric. Okay, clear? Clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
clear. No, no.
Okay. Now let's go to the today topic. So where we are in now. So let's go to MM01. Okay. Anyway, we created material type, right? So let's try to create the material number. So basic data information is the you need to understand what is the basic data information. Basic data is the client level. Okay, it is common. It is the same information for across all the plants. So we generally call basic data information at client level. Client level means in this company, whoever plans, whoever the company codes they have, this information will be the same. It will not change for the company code to company code. It will not change to the plant to plant. Clear? Clear?
Yeah, yeah, clear.
So basic data, it won't be changed the information for the plant to plant or company code to company code. It won't be changed any information. It is common. If you define the description for this material, suppose let's say this material is defined for something like bag, okay, then this always bag only for all the across the all the plants across the all the company codes in the system, this system. Okay, whenever you are using this material number, it will show you that bag only. You cannot change this description for each and every plant. Okay, so my plant it is a bag, this their side it is a suitcase, not like that. The description is always same for the all the plants, and even the base unit of measure also it is always same. Okay, like metal groups, old metal numbers, and revisions, all it will be same for all the plants. Okay, clear? So this is the basic data information one, basic data one, basic data two. It is common for everyone. Okay, either might be some information related to ST, some information related to MM, some information related to PP, some information related to authorization, some fields which is restriction. Okay, so it is there are so many ways we are using these fields. If suppose it is there EAN is nothing but like a this is the for the barcode purpose. So retail industry they will be define the barcode to scan the product, right? And gross weight and net weight for sales people before packing, after packing, gross weight and net weight they will check and they will enter here. For 1 kg, what is the gross weight? What is the net weight? So gross weight might be 1 kg, net weight might be 900 grams, right? So, and if you see the metal group, okay, this is the bag. This is the bag means something like which is go to which category it will go. Might be go to let's see what are we have in the groups here. Monitor, board, stocking station, diverse input devices, cables, LAN, mobile devices, bulbs. Up here, so okay. So we can put it in extra, okay, or we can define the own product also. Like we can, if see that food related, meat related, all we can alcohol, non-alcohol, glass. Okay, here we can what we can do. Bag we can we can create new group like leather related leather groups. Okay, accessories you can put it accessory, right? So whole material number is the common number which they are using in their client. Okay. So like division is a which division it is related. It is a it is a accessory division. So we can define like accessories. So in the accessory division we can put it this one. Okay. So if we don't have anything, we can click on create, continue without specifying the project, and we can create our own division also. So my company they are using like they are creating divisions like accessories, so division one fashion industry, ladies separate, and fashion industry fashion which is men's separate, men's wear is separate, men's shorts wear is different. So like we are defined the different divisions. Okay. So by looking into the division, I can identify that okay, this division we have particularly assigned to the some products. Clear? So this basic data 1 and 2 is the especially for the it is a client level data. Okay, once it is assigned, okay, if you want to change any data in the basic data level and basic 1 data, basic 2 level, then those data it will be impacting on the entire client level. It is not only single plan. So please make note that okay, if you change any data information in the client level, okay, it will be impacting on all the plans. It will not be only one plan. Clear? Clear? Any doubts?
No, no.
Okay. Okay, let's skip this one. So anyway, you know, right, how to do configuration for this division and material groups. Yesterday we have shown, right? Hello.
Hello.
You know, right, how to create how to configure these material groups and all. Correct?
Yeah.
You know or not?
No, no, but we did not, till now, we did not create any material group also.
Yesterday we created, right?
Better
Material
we
group.
try.
Yesterday we created milk products.
Yeah,
Something. You're not
yeah,
recalling
no, no.
yesterday video.
Yeah, I also created, but I forgot.
Mm. So how to create also, you know, you can directly go to SPRO or you can go to from here also by clicking on F1, right? Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so this server is slow. Okay, let's stop here. Taking long time.
Change the
If you want to create a division, you can create directly go to
material.
SPRO. Okay? Can I continue?
Will die.
Hello?
Yeah, no?
Can I continue? Or do you want to create division?
Yeah, continue.
Okay. Now first you need to understand that okay, you are clear about number ranges, right? There is no doubts in number ranges, right? Do you have any doubts in the number ranges?
Number is no doubt.
Okay, okay. Now go to MM01. Okay. Now first you need to understand that what are the data belongs to which area. In this entirely, okay, what are the data which in which area, which in which level it will be. Okay. Now take the Word document. That is very okay. It is very important to understand that in which area it will be or belongs to. Okay, just click on that. Now basic data 1, basic data 2. I said already. Okay, basic data 1 and 2 will be client level. So if you change anything, it will be impacting for all the plans. The data will be changing at a client level. Okay. If you change the description of the material number, then that means it is across all the plants. The description of material is changed. Okay. Now sales data. Sales organization 1, 2, 3, 2 and general data. Okay, sales general data. Okay, this is sales general data. Okay, this is the especially sales area level. That means sales organization distribution, distribution channel level. Okay. And the division level. Okay. So this is the for the sales related. So we don't need. And from coming to purchasing, it is a plant level. Okay, we working at a plant level, right? So this is purchasing. So each and every plant, the purchasing data might be the purchasing data will be changed. Okay, if you change the purchasing data, that means you need to enter the particular plant. Okay, if I select the purchasing data, okay, enter, then the system will ask the plant code, which plant you want to create, in which plant the purchasing data you need to create. Clear? So before that, if I select the basic data only, okay, then the system is not asking anything. It is not asking plant code. It is not asking sales data, anything. But if you selected that only purchasing data, then the system is asking that what is the plant, which plant you want to create this one, under which plant you want to create it. Okay, like if selected a sales data, okay, it will ask that sales information. Okay, sales organization distribution channel. It will ask that what is the sales organization, what is the distribution channel. Okay, again if you selected the warehouse related, okay, if you selected the warehouse management, then the system will ask that what is the warehouse number and storage type. Okay, that means it is the organization level, it will be changed. And if you selected the plant data, storage location. So storage information, if you selected, then it will be asked the store location number. Which store location you need to create this one. So like the organization levels will be changed when you selected the views. So each and every view department, it is depending on the each and every organization level. Clear?
Yeah, clear, Anna.
So now purchasing data is the plant level. Okay, plant data and storage. Plant and storage. It will be combination of the plant and store location. Why? Because the store location which is created under plant, right? So plant and storage location combination. So you can understand, right? Plant data storage one is nothing but like a in the down, which is general plant data storage one, two. These two. Okay. Clear? And sales data, anyway, you know, sales organization and distribution. Okay, and purchasing is the plant level. Plant data storage is the plant level again. Plant and store location level. And MRP. MRP is the MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4. Okay. And forecasting data. There is a forecasting also, which is like forecasting and work scheduling. So these are all at plant level only. So whenever you are planning this material, you can plan at plant level, not at client level. We can plan at each and every plant level. Okay, and if you're talking about the warehouse management, this is the warehouse number level, warehouse level. Okay, warehouse level. And if you're talking about that costing and accounting, okay, these are all plant level only. So like we can say as a valuation area level. Valuation area is the plant, right? So it is a plant level. Clear? So when you change the data in the purchasing data, Okay, you need to enter that what is the plant, which plant. Okay, suppose my plant is 1000 plant. Then whatever the changes happen in the purchasing data, only it is impacting on the 1000 plant. It is not impacting on the other plants, right? And if you see that in the plant data storage location, if you change any data, it is only the combination of plant and store location. And again the MRP also, if it is at plant level. And warehouse management, it is warehouse level. That means each and every warehouse, there was a separate data. Each and every plant, there is separate data. Clear? Now I will try to show the how to create this purchasing data. Let's go to this one purchasing data. Okay, and entering that my 1000 plan. Sorry. Okay, let me try that one. First, I will create the basic information on the organization level. Okay, first I will create this one. Suppose I just creating that non-alcoholic product, alcohol, which is a Fiji product. Okay, let's say something I'm just creating. Now I need to enter the first basic information, the metal group and basic unit price. So basic unit of measure, I'm just entering each, and I'm just selecting that metal group is non-alcohol. Okay, non-alcohol product. Okay, non-alcohol product I selected. Now I just entering that plant, which plant. Now it is asking that which plant it is. Okay, so why? Because I'm just trying to capture now purchasing data, which is plant level information. As of now, I entered only base unit of measure and metal group. That is the basic information, which is same. Now the each and every plant. Now the 1000 plant, I just need to enter my purchasing group. Who is my purchasing group? So we created one purchasing group right yesterday. Did you remember that we created one purchasing group? Something like ABC or something we created.
Yeah.
Okay. So we created a ABC purchasing group. So I can assign that to ABC purchasing group. Okay. Now order unit. What do you mean by order unit? Okay. For this product, whenever you are ordering to the vendor, that means whenever you creating purchase order, always what was the unit, what was the unit of measure. Suppose my base unit of measure is each, but when I'm ordering to the vendor, I can say that I can ordering in the pieces. Okay, so that means there might be, if suppose in my store location, if I'm measuring that the pieces like 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece are 1 each, 2 each, 3 each, but when I'm ordering to the vendor, okay, they must be they are used for the order unit is PC or tons. Okay, why? Because the reason why, because the base unit of measure is different, order unit is different. Okay, there should be a there should be some limit, like when you ordering to the vendor, you always ordering bulk order. So like I will not order 1 piece, I will not order 2 piece, I will not order 3 piece. Like I will put like set. Suppose let's set. Okay, I just defining like order unit as set. One set, that means in the one set how many each pieces is there. Okay, so when I just click on order unit, okay, I need to enter the what is the measurement. Okay, one set is equal to how many eaches. So I can put like 100 eaches. So whenever you ordering to the vendor, the minimum order is 100 each. That means one set. Clear? 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 Are you clear? Guru, you are there?
Yeah, voice is clear.
No. Have you understand this topic? The base
Quality.
unit, the base unit of measure and order unit.
Yeah.
The order unit is nothing but like how you are ordering the product to the vendor.
Okay.
If suppose example, okay, if you go to supermarket, okay, if you want a salt packet, you will ask only one packet of salt. But if you go to D-Mart, okay, let's example, if you go to D-Mart, okay, they will say that we are selling only in the bags. If you go to Metro, they are selling in the bags only. They are not selling in the pieces. That means it's a bulk product. They can sell only in the boxes or they can sell in the packet. Each packet have 100 pieces of salt.
Yeah.
Okay, that means the minimum order value. That means from that vendor, he is a wholesaler. He can supply the goods with bags only. He cannot supply. Boss, I need one piece of the salt packet. Please send me. They are not agreed. Why I need to send one packet? You should order bulk. We are minimum order is 100 pieces. That means one bag containing 100 pieces, right? So the order
Yes,
value, the minimum ordering, how you are ordering this product. So here the case is, I just put like one set. One set is nothing but like one set have the 100 pieces, 100 eaches, right? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, clear.
Okay. Unlike you can plant special material status. You want to be block for this plant, this material, you can do it. Okay, you want to block for the procurement. Okay, now this will be helpful only for this plant, not for the client level. I can use the same material in the different plant. If you set up here, but if you set up in the basic data level, I cannot use for the across all the plants. If you put here across plant, okay, that means it will be restricted for all the plant. If you selected only basic data, only purchasing data, then it is only restricted at this plant. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, now I save this one. Now the material number will be created, right? This material number, when I want to create in the different plant, this material number, if I want to create in the different plant, okay, the purchasing data information will be different for that plant. Why? Because the data we are maintaining at the purchasing level. Okay, just a moment. The server is too much slow. Okay, now the material is created, right? Now if you can see that material is created. Now I can go to change. Okay, I can go to change. Now I can see that my data which is created or not. Okay, so it is locked. Okay, let's go to MM02. Go to MM02. Okay, this is the material number which is created now. Okay, so I can see that. Okay, my purchasing data which is created, one basic data which is created. Let's try this one. My data is safe or not. Let's see my data is created or not. Okay, so my basic data non-alcohol Fiji it is created. The material number which is created, and my purchasing group which is assigned ABC, and the order unit I assigned the set. Clear? Now if I want to extend the material number, okay, that means this material number I want to create in the different plans. I can go to MM01. Okay, I can give them my material number. What is the material number? 1003, right? This is my material number, right? Correct? What is the number, material number? Now just now we take
003.
MM03. Let's go to my material number. This is my material number. Okay, and let's create the. Let's go to MM01. It's taking long time here. For executing and also it's taking long time. Okay, MM01. Material number I entered. Click on select views. Now this material I want to extend to the other plants. Okay, so the basic data already created, right? So it will not go to basic data now. It will go directly purchasing data. Select the purchasing data. Now I need to create in the 1100 plan. Before that I created in the 1000 plan, right? Now I want to create in the 1100 plan. Okay. Now enter. Now again, when I just coming to the this 1100 plan, now you need to enter the plan data information separately. Purchasing group. What is the purchasing group here? I can say that it is this guy. This guy is responsible for this 1100 plan. So the 1000 for 1000 it is different data and 1100 it is different data. Okay, and save. Now I created purchasing data in the two plans. Okay, let's see whether this created or not. MM60 is the report. MM60 is the report. You can see in this report how many the material which is extended to which plant. Right. Okay, accounting data which is not created. Sorry. Let's go to table level. The table level SC69. Okay, MARC table. MARC table is the plan data. Okay, enter the material number here. What is the material number? This is the material number. I just execute this one. I can see here now plant which is 1000 and 1100. Both it is created. It is created under that 1100. It is created under 1000 plan. Okay, and MM60. Why it is not displaying in MM60? Because you didn't updated the accounting data. Okay, if you updated the accounting data, let's see, I will create the accounting data. It's the same material which is accounting data I will create. Select views. Okay, and go to accounting data. And I just go to 1000. Enter. Now I'm just entering the 1000 data. Okay, now you can maintain the what is the valuation class here. You can maintain the valuation class here. Okay, and you can maintain the price here, standard price or it is the moving average price, that you need to decide. Okay, so the price control is standard because of the in the metal master material type level we are defined as a price control S. Now I just entering that 1000 and save. So that means this material cost is 1000 rupees for each piece. For each piece it is standard price which is I maintain 1000 rupees. Okay, now go to MM60. Let's see if I can see now the data at 1000. See here it is showing 1000 for material 1000. What is the price? 1000 rupees price. Okay, so if the accounting data which is maintained, then it will display here MM60. Okay, again now I'm just trying to create. Go to MM01. I'm trying to create for the accounting data for 1100 plant. 1100 plant. Plant. I'm just selecting 1100 plant. Okay. Now in the 1100 plant again there might be different valuation class. So they want to be captured in the different GL account. Then I can give 7925. Okay. And this price control is and the price is standard price I just maintain like 1500. Okay. Might be in the 1000 plant the price of this product is 1000 rupees, but in the 1100 it is different. Right? Now I'm saving this one. So plant to plant the price might be different. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's see it is saved or not. Okay, it is created. It is created. Now I will go there and MM60 and just check that. Okay, now 1100 also it is updated. So the price it is 1000 rupees for the 1000 plant, and for plant plant 1100 the price will be the 1500. And if you can see that the valuation class is also different, 7920 7925. Clear? So what I'm saying here, the information whatever the basic data 1 and 2, it is a client level. Okay, but when it is purchasing data information or accounting, costing, warehouse, all these things, it will be different for the each and every organization level. Okay, so if you maintain the 1000 plant, that means if you maintain 1000 plant here, okay, you should maintain 1100 plant also if you are using in the 1100 plant. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, so the basic data level, if you maintain at one time, it is not necessary to maintain every plant or every organization. Okay, it will be common for everyone. But if you maintain the purchasing data for the 1000 plant, okay, you should also maintain for the 1100 plant, 2000 plant, 3000 plant, 4000 plant, like that. You have to maintain every time. That is we called as plant extension. Okay, when you creating new plant, the material you should extend this material to that plant as well. Okay, they might be they are not using this product, then it is not necessary. If they are using this product, then obviously you have to extend the material to that plant. Clear? Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Any doubts today?
Till now, no.
Okay, so you understand that how to plant extend the material, how to extend the material to plant. You created a new plant. If you want existing plant, existing material to that plant, what you need to do? You should go in MM01, select the plant data information, purchasing data, accounting data, costing, all this information, enter the plan and create. So
Yeah.
tomorrow, if they're asking in interview point of view, how to extend the materials to plants, then you can say MM01, not MM02. Even it is already created also, you need to use MM01. Why? Because you are creating in a different plant. Make a note this one. Clear? Clear?
అంటే MM0 కొడితే డైరెక్ట్ గా పోతాం కదా లేకపోతే ఎస్పీఆర్ కూడా కొట్టొచ్చు.